How to delete messages on Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to delete messages on Facebook Messenger. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there's a couple different ways to delete messages on Messenger. First, to delete an entire conversation, simply find and long press the conversation you want to delete. A new menu will appear, and all you need to do is select delete, confirm you do want to delete this message by selecting delete. We can also select into a message and delete either messages we've received or sent. So all you would need to do is long press the message you want to delete, then select more, and then select delete. It'll then bring up a menu where you can select more messages if you want to, but select delete, and then confirm you want to delete this for you if it's a message you've received. And if it's a message you sent, long press that message, and then select delete, and then confirm you want to delete it. And you'll have the option to either delete it for everyone or just you, and I'll delete it for everyone. So that deleted it for the person I sent it to as well. So that's how you delete messages on Messenger. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.